Are you interested in learning how to identify a reliable supplier before your production line is at risk, saving you time, money, and stress? Would you like to know the 6 habits that quietly predict on time delivery and consistent quality? Would you like to follow a practical checklist so your next sourcing decisions from India feels confident and not lucky? By following this checklist, you can feel more confident and capable in your decision making process. Hello, I am Rahul Agarwal, Managing Director at Presidec Forgings and Engineering. Today, I will share the things to follow and the 6 habits every buyer should look for in a supplier. By understanding and implementing these habits, you can feel more informed and prepared in your procurement process. Your reality is tough. One late truck and your ERP lights up red. A quality escape and suddenly you are firefighting. You're calling the production, logistics, and the customers. Cost climbs up, stress rises, and trust drops. You do not just buy parts. If you source in automotive, agriculture machinery, or precision machining, you buy sleep at night. You buy the confidence that tomorrow's shift will start without any surprises. I aim to help you read suppliers not by their slides but by their habits so you make better decisions with lesser drama. Why do good looking suppliers' choices go wrong? 3 hidden reasons show up often. Number 1, over promising capacity. A supplier says yes to win the RFQ, but their dies, heat treatment slots, and machining hours are already tight. In week 6, you see the slip. Number 2, process drift. Metallurgy varies slightly between heats. A tempering furnace runs a few degrees off. Gauges are not calibrated on time. Quality issues appear after PPAP and not before PPAP. Number 3, weak communication. Nobody wants to deliver bad news, so issues surface late when air freight is the only option. A quality assurance manager once told me their assembly started hearing a faint click sound in a joint. The investigation showed that the hardness has drifted outside the specification on one minor feature. The root cause? Maintenance was skipped on the tempering furnace because production was hard. It was not a bad team, it was a missing habit. So here is the 6 habits of reliable suppliers and things to follow as a buyer. Number 1, evidence before assurance. Look for simple run charts from trials, first pass, yield data, a gauge with calibration list, dates, and a clear control plan. Ask for real sample data, not just a declaration. If they can show it simply, they likely to run it daily. Number 2, calendar discipline. Look for a realistic lead time with capacity loading, planned maintenance, and a visible holiday shutdowns. Freeze a shared calendar. Confirm how they adjust when a machine or furnace goes down. Number 3, change transparency and traceability. Look for heat lot traceability, documented change control, and material certificates tied to every batch. Before any change like material, die, process, or inspection, agree upfront on what needs your approval. Number 4, first time right mindset. Look for error proofing on critical steps, operator training sign offs, and simple visual checks at the workstation. Ask to see one FMEA page and one work instruction. You will know if it is alive or if a binder has been kept for you to audit. Number 5. Escalation without ego. Look for a clear escalation ladder. 24-hour containment when something goes wrong, and a short 8D timeline. Test it. Who picks up the phone on a Saturday? Do they share bad news quickly without any options? And number 6, digital clarity. Look for clean part masters, revision controls, shared dashboard for on-time delivery in full and PPM, and photo or video confirmations. Set a simple weekly scorecard monitoring OTIF, defects, open actions. If updates are late, performance will be late. If even 4 of these 6 habits are strong, risk drops dramatically. The big idea is choose habits over hype. A reliable supplier is not the cheapest or the loudest. It is the one who is predictably good on ordinary days and brutally honest on bad days. If you follow one thing this quarter, make it the 6 habits checklist. In your next supplier meeting, ask for one live example for each habit. Watch how fast and how clearly they respond. In your last supply issue, the machine or the habit? I would love to hear from you. What is the one silent risk you have faced in your supply chain, and which habit would have caught it earlier? Share your experience. It will help many of us make better decisions. Thank you. See you in my next video.